Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Farmers Mastercard online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Into the URL box, type in www.farmersmastercard.co.nz and press enter. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official web page for Farmers Mastercard. From the main official web page, click on the login button appearing at the top right hand corner and you'll end up in the login page. Farmers Mastercard is a credit card which will allow you to collect Farmers Club points everywhere the Mastercard is accepted. In the login page, you'll need to type in your customer ID along with your password. If you've not created an account yet for Farmers Mastercard, you can click on the Get Started button and follow the prompt in order to complete your registration. Into the customer ID text box, type in your customer ID. On the next field, type in your correct password. If you don't remember your password, click the Forgot Your Password link and follow through the on-screen prompt. After you are done filling in the credential, click on the Login button and you'll be able to log in and access your Farmers Mastercard online account. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.